Hi, this is Wasim and welcome to Tech Voila. We have with us a beast, sporting a 2280 into 1080 screen, an aspect ratio of 19:9, the OnePlus 6. Sporting a Snapdragon 845, the latest in the series, an octa-core processor, a GPU of the Adreno 630, a camera which is 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel, both with apertures f1.7, and a battery of 3300 milliamperes, dash charging. Everything is there in this OnePlus 6. When I got the OnePlus 6 for the first time, I was just too eager to unbox it without realizing that I haven't filmed it. But here's a close to enough experience of the unboxing. Now, coming to the unboxing, the first thing you see when you open the case is the phone itself. A very vibrant looking phone, stunning glass display. Beneath all this, we have the dash charger, wonderful red looking color, and with the adapter. But something is missing. Yes, it's the headphones. The headphones are not included in the OnePlus 6 version as well. Beneath the phone there is a cover with the instruction manual, with the introduction of the OnePlus 6. There are even stickers which they never settle OnePlus Moto really. And there's even a cover, silicone case cover, a very generous offering by the OnePlus. Now coming to the speed aspect, we all know that the OnePlus 6 never likes to compromise on speed, and this time it has done the same. Comparing it with the Snapdragon 835, we took side by side with a OnePlus 5, and we saw a difference of about 5 seconds when we compared it with about 10 apps in total. Another wonderful feature of this phone is the new gaming mode in it, whereby it blocks the messages, blocks the notifications, and separates all its core, CPU, speed, everything into the game so that you can have a smooth gaming experience. Now you can see in this video that I'm playing Clash Royale. Look how brilliantly placed is it. The aspect ratio of 19:9 makes it look like a really good game. You can see other games like PUBG or Asphalt 8 all running really smoothly with high graphics. These are all games that require high graphics and they all run super smooth. Another feature worth mentioning is the notch, which resembles the iPhone 10 notch. Not all people find it really beautiful, so if you want to hide it, OnePlus 6 has offered a solution where you can hide the notch while going to the settings. The new alert slider, after many users' suggestion, has been shifted to the right. Now it's really simple: vibrate, silent, and you can make it sound as well. One of the major features that has been seen in the present smartphone market has been the face unlock, and this time around even OnePlus 6 has the face unlock method, and you just need to turn your face and voila, it opens. It's really quick. And not only that, the fingerprint security method also sports a really quick one. Now, one thing worth mentioning is the camera. On the back it supports a 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel, both with an aperture of f1.7, and in the front a 16 megapixel front facing camera and f2.0. They take really good photos compared to the last generation. The portrait mode is much faster. You just click and then it automatically takes it. There's no loading of the portrait mode. Coming to the video aspect of it, it even shoots at 4K at 60 frames per second, and combination of the optical image stabilization with the electronic image stabilization has made the phone really smooth, especially when taking videos. Now coming to the photos look really vibrant. The photos look really colorful. Even low light, they've somehow managed to make it look really good at the same time, really colorful. All the colors are showing off really well. Even HDR, you can see in one pic that the clouds are really visible. At the same time, the grass is visible as well. So they've done a lot of things, and they've put a lot of work into the camera this time around. The selfies, on the other hand, they look alright, they look good, they have a lot of detail, but the problem is that once you move a bit here and there, it goes out of focus. That's the only problem I've seen in the selfie so far. One feature worth mentioning is the portrait mode, and this time around it has been really improved, really quick, really fast processing. But the only problem that I have seen is that when it comes to fluctuation of light levels, you see that the objects are noticed really fast and the edges are seen as smooth and such, but when it comes to people, the edges are not really recognized as well. So the image turns out to be not as good. Now, one new feature to the OnePlus is the slow motion. Not just any slow motion, it's 480 frames per second at 720 pixels, and this is actually incredible. I'll tell you why. Because you can shoot an entire minute of the video and you can choose the selected part which you like the most, and then you can just make it really slow. I've put in a few clips that you can see and it looks really good. And if you want not that slow, there is the 1080p version as well, which goes at about 240 frames per second. The OnePlus 6 comes in 3 different variants, which is the midnight black, the mirror black, and the limited edition version. And it comes in either the 64GB / the 6GB RAM, or the 128GB / the 8GB RAM, or the exclusive new updated 256GB / 8GB RAM. Now they all come at really reasonable prices as well. If you're an Indian, it's about $34,999, $529 US, and the 8GB version, that is $39,999, which is about $579 US. Now coming to the conclusion of this phone, is it really worth the money? Is it really worth the hype? I would say it is. I mean, new phones keep coming every month or so. At this present moment, sporting a Snapdragon 845, increased performance about 18%, price point of only about $39,999 for the 8GB version. This thing, I feel it's worth every penny. It's worth every dollar. It's worth every rupee. Now, coming to the cons of this phone, well, does it have a notch? Yes, it has a notch. Is that a copy? Yes, that is a copy. Does it have wireless charging? No, it doesn't. Does it have a certificate of IP68 water resistant or something like that? No, it doesn't. But it is water resistant, and it does come at a really good price. So I would say buy the phone, because you know, if you want a new phone, then I think this is the phone to go for. Now there you have it. That is the final review of the OnePlus 6. Did you like it? Did you really enjoy it? If you did, like, subscribe, comment on my page. Which phone do you want to see next? Anything. Do love us all. Thank you.